Would you believe me if I told you I just did my hair at home? Well, you better believe it, because I did. Hello! So today I'm going to be styling my hair with these two hot tools that were sent to me by 𝘰𝘮𝘮𝘭𝘭. So the first product that I have is their 1 1/4 inch curling iron, and they also sent me their hot comb as well. So I already have my hair washed, I have my layers cut, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna give these little hot tools a try. So first and foremost, I need to just make sure that, you know, my wig is a lot flatter. So I'm gonna go in with their pressing comb, and I do have heat protectant on my hair, and I have my pressing comb set to 430 degrees. So I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair in a couple of places. And I am just going to start pressing it and just trying to flatten it out, because as you can see, like at the roots, it's like a little like puffy. And yeah, I don't like that. I need this wig to be as flat as possible. It's really hot. I think it's ready. So let's go ahead and see. Okay. Not bad, not bad. This thing gets really, really hot. I'm actually kind of impressed because it is very sleek and it just combs through the hair like a regular comb. So now that my hair is flat, of course I could kind of wear it like this, but I didn't cut these layers in this hair for nothing. And honestly, I've been waiting to get my hands on a curling iron just so I could do like a very layered, like wavy type of look. So I'm going to part my hair. I'm gonna do like 2 parts, and then I'm going to split it again with like the top and the bottom. So I'm gonna make sure that my hair is combed all the way through, so we don't have any kinks or anything. And I'm just going to split it into more like manageable pieces. So I'm just gonna start with the piece that's closer to the back, okay? So I'm going to just move the heat guard down just a little bit. Let's just go ahead and, I watched a YouTube tutorial before I did this. So apparently you just wrap it around, and then you just, like, as you're turning the curling iron, you just pull it through, but keep the top part of the curling iron upwards. So I'm just going to pull it, and then I'm gonna turn it, and then I'm gonna pull it some more. I'm going to just wrap it, and then I'm just going to release it. Okay. Love it. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair and just kind of speed through it. All right, so I will be right back when I do this side, and then we're gonna do the bangs together. All right, so I feel like you can maybe see a little bit better what I'm doing on this side. And I can actually see myself in the mirror too, so I can also see what I'm doing. So I'm just going to, take it, clamp it, wrap it, hold this part, and then I'm just going to turn, and I'm going to pull down, just like that. And it may look like it's tugging on my hair, but it's actually not. There we go. And then remember to keep those barrels facing upwards. Keep the barrel facing upwards. And then we're just gonna, bam, just like that. Okay. All right, now let me try to hurry up and do the rest because I'm getting hot. Both sides look like, this is what both sides look like. I have not combed out the curls yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my bangs. And since they are cut into layers, I'm gonna split them into 3. I cannot wait to comb these curls out because I just know it's gonna give. And then I'm actually gonna pull it out by just turning it. And I'm gonna let that kind of sit there like that. And then for the last piece, I'm just gonna do the same thing. Just gonna pull it, turn it. So I know I said I was gonna comb the curls out, but I'm actually just gonna kind of finger pick them apart, okay? Because I don't want them to lose their definition too much, because I like to keep some of the curl in there, so I'm just going to, look how fluffy that is, wow. And then I'm gonna tuck that behind my ear. And then I'm just going to, for a little volume, bring that back up. And it's giving bombshell. Oh, the bangs. I'm just gonna comb it and then just kind of like take my hand and just kind of slide it back because I kind of want those layers to show. So now for this part, and I'm gonna comb it, and then I'm gonna this would have been so cute right here. This would have been so cute. But I'm gonna have to, I don't want to manipulate it too much, but I'm just going to lightly just take my hand and I'm just going to, it's giving what we came here for. And I'm just going to kind of like use my hands to like feather it out. I'm gonna smooth the rest down and it's giving bombshell. Okay, period. What y'all think? I like it, I love it. Ooh, it's giving bombshell, okay? The feathered bangs and there's the layers and just that little, I love it so much. I'm just gonna go in and I have like a little bit of hairspray left. I'm going to first cover my eye. Cover your eye so you don't spray it in your eye, because I've done that before. In there, but yes, y'all, this is the finished look. Pause, picture break. Listen. Who needs a salon or a hairstylist when you have these? Thank you, Golden Hot, for sending me this pressing comb and for also sending me this curling iron. Details for this hair and these styling tools will be in the caption below.